So today we are going to be unboxing and I'm going to be putting together this Baby Trend 3-in-1 high chair. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So it looks like this. So this is the Tanzania model. So let's open it up. So here are the contents. So we got one of the legs. So as you can see, I uploaded a video last time, but the high chair I got last time was missing two of the legs, and my toddler was very upset because I had to return it. But this one I think comes with a complete thing. So there's the seat. There's the footrest. So I'm gonna be very careful that I don't scratch it. And here's the table. It's really big. So I think we've got everything. And there's the parts. And I think lastly we got the instructions. Okay, so let's get started. So I kind of don't need to read the instructions anymore because I already assembled this last time. We were just missing the legs. So I'm just gonna give you a quick flip through on the manual. So let's get started. So it comes with a warranty and like an app. So let's start with the assembly. So the first thing is this part. You would have to connect it to the back part. This piece. So this piece you have to connect it together. And I'm going to show you how to do that. You would have to remove this rod. So you can see this rod. You have to remove it and align them together. So align this. So just align it like this. Shiloh, can you help me really quick? So just align this piece. Shiloh, help me align this piece. Align it so we can put the rod. So let's put this like that. And it needs to be flush. Oops. There you go. So after doing that, don't let it go, Shiloh. I'm gonna push the button. So as you can see, it's aligned. So use this rod, insert it at one side. So let's show them how to insert it. So you insert it from here. Oh, the other side, actually the other side. So I'm gonna insert it from the other side. Oh, gotta be careful. So here. So let's see here. So you have to push it all the way in, and then this thing locks it in place. This thing. So now it won't go anywhere. So this is the initial look, and then you gotta insert this piece. Show you clearly. So insert this piece here. So you can tighten it. And then the next step would be attaching this footrest to the body. So let's do it like so. So just insert it like this, Let me zoom it out so you can see what I'm doing. And then just make it click. Oops. So make sure it's tight. That goes there. And this material is a wipeable material. It's waterproof, so it's easier to clean. And then let's proceed with this, with the legs. So this is one of the legs that we're gonna attach. So let's see here. So actually I had to remove the footrest before we put the footrest. I had to put this height adjustment thing. So just this way, insert this this thing here. So it needs to click over here, and then do it on the other side as well. So do the same with the other side. Just click it through this hole. So that's good. And now you can put the footrest. So that's good. And then now you can put the legs through the hole like so. So that's the lever that you can adjust. This is the lever that you can adjust.
We saw deer poop.
The other side is... The next part is putting in the other leg. There you go. So you can adjust it with this lever.
It was going to be really happy.
Okay. So the next part is just securing the bottom, the leg. The bottom of the leg, so let's do that. Give me the bottom of the leg, Shalom. That's the last piece. This is one part of the leg, so you're just gonna snap it to the back of the seat. So let's do that right now.
Careful, this thing looks like it's not sturdy.
Shalom.
Wobble.
So we're gonna attach the leg. So my daughter's helping me. There is a snap in the back, this piece. So we're gonna snap it in. There we go. Oops. Okay, well, wait. Let's see, I put this thing down. Hold on, let's see here. Oh, sorry. So let's put this piece down. And the other side. Okay, so let's snap it, push it in.
Oh man, that's a big highchair.
There you go, can you hear this? Snap on the other side. So the other side, as you can see, there's a hole in the bottom that clicks. You need to put the other side in first, Charlo. Put the other side in. And then you can push this bottom. And you can push the bottom in. Push the bottom in. So you can see it. You can hear it click. Be careful. There you go. So, there you go. It's done.
That's big.
It's
Well,
huge.
where's the
And then
table?
we're going to put the table up.
He's going to be so happy. Ooh, what's this?
So there's the table. So the last part is just putting the...
And then bingo, it's ready.
A bit tricky.
A little bit tricky. Well, you did it. It was easy last time. Oh, glad it's a big table.
So here is the high chair. It is pretty tall, but you can adjust. Oh, I think
Make
this.
it smaller,
I think this is the reclining adjustment. Can you touch this handle, Shallow?
Handle?
Yep. Pull it, push it up. Oh, this is for folding the chair. But I think you can make it shorter by adjusting the height from the bottom.
Careful, Mommy. I do not want you to smack your hand.
Here's our baby that's gonna use the chair.
Well, he looks like he's gonna make a mess.